In this video, I will show you how to connect Airbnb to Hospitable. To do this, first just go to hospitable.com and from the home screen simply click Start Free, and then the easiest way to do it is to click on Continue with Airbnb. From there you need to agree to their terms of service and privacy policy and click Continue, and then you can sign in using your Airbnb account. Now I already have a tab open where I'm signed in, so for me it happens automatically. Then from here you can see what it can do, so if you want to give it access to all of that, then click Allow. Then in the onboarding they may ask something like this, so where are your properties listed, just select Airbnb. Then here you can see some of the things you can do. For example, you can automate this, so a new reservation, so these are messages that you send, review requests, etc. So then you can click I just want to save, or save me 8 hours, whatever. And now if it isn't connected yet, just click connect with Airbnb. Although if you sign up using the Airbnb account, then it should be connected instantly. Otherwise just go through it right here. And then basically after doing that, you will have connected your Airbnb account. So that's how you can connect Airbnb to Hospitable. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.